What's up, guys? Welcome on back. We're going to change the oil in this 1.6 liter Ford Fiesta. It should work for any 1.6 liter Ford Fiesta out there. So what do you say we go ahead and dive into it, get this oil changed? Folks, so a quick look under the hood. We've got the oil fill right there. You can see it takes 5W20. Somebody wrote 4 quarts on the engine, and I read in the manual that is pretty accurate. It might be a little over 4 quarts, but we'll see when we change it here and fill it up. And then your dipstick is right here for the oil check. Alrighty, folks, so laying under the car, we've got the drain plug is actually right here, real easy to find. And on the Fiesta, there's no plastic undercarriage or under protector, whatever you call it, skid protector under it to protect it, so we don't have to take that off. So just your drain plug is right here. It's actually going to be a 13 millimeter. So I'm going to go ahead and work on that, and hopefully somebody didn't drive it home last time they changed the oil. Oh, and also, before I finish, your oil filter is actually right there. Pretty easy access to get to from underneath here. So anyways, let's go ahead and drain your oil. Perfect. Alrighty, folks, you can see that most of the oil has finished draining. We're just dripping a couple drips here, so we can go ahead and put the drain plug back in. Just like that. Move the drain out of the way. And when I tighten it, and I always say this, you don't need it super tight. So once it's snug, just take one hand and just give it a couple, 1, 2, 3, and that'll enough to seal the gasket and keep it from leaking. All right, folks, so for oil filter, I found it tough to get my hand up in there, so I'm going to try an actual pair of channel locks just to get it loose, because I have big hands. I'm thinking maybe this, yeah, it's not on super tight, so this will get it loose for me. Time. There she comes. Okay, so I'm going to pull in my drain pan here. And this is going to be messy. I don't know why they designed some of these oil filters the way that they do. There she is. Alrighty, so on the new oil filter, we're using the Ford Motorcraft FL-910S. I'll just show you what that looks like. Similar to the old one, which was a kind of a generic brand, but I went with the Ford original. So I'm going to go ahead and put a bead of oil just right around the gasket with my finger. Always good to help it seal, and then screw this back up in there. All right, so we got the oil on the gasket, and I'm going to wipe before I get dripped on. There's oil everywhere now, the way this was designed. Actually, just gonna give it another good wipe. Okay, and just gonna get the oil filter up in there. And just start screwing it on. Alright, and should only need about a hand tightened. With one hand should be plenty. And then just wipe up everything, because with the way this is designed, oil just gets everywhere, which is great. Kind of wish they had it down here screwed into the engine, but what are you going to do? So I'm just going to wipe everything up really good. And the last step, folks, is just 4 quarts of 5W20, and then I'm going to take it down off the ramps and just check it for a final time, add a little more if needed. Alright, went ahead and fired up the car, just check for any leaks, and while it's running, see by the filter there, we're all good, we're all dry. And at the drain plug, we're all dry as well. So as long as you're sitting here for a couple seconds, everything looks good. We're good to back her down and do the final check on the level. Alright, final level check. Pull her out and just wipe it off. And you can see it's hard to see, but we are right between those 2 notches, which is the level check. So we are good to go. We don't need to add any more. Alright, thanks for watching, folks. Hope that helped you change your oil in your Ford Fiesta. Drop a like down below if it helped you out. Drop a comment if you have any questions. And until next time, guys, get out there, do it yourself.